While using smartphone, the most common thing that might have irritated you is the presence of ads. Whether it's browsing through Chrome or using an application, these ads are present everywhere. In this video, I'm going to show you a super cool trick which will let you to block almost all the ads that you see in your smartphone. So watch this video till the end to know more about it. So hey guys, welcome back to Tech Arena. I'm your host Arnav. Let's get started. So before showing you the trick on how to block the ads that you see in your smartphone, let me explain why these ads come in the first place. So whenever you browse through internet or whenever you download an app, most of them are free to use. And haven't you heard? When something is free, then you are the product. That is the same thing what's happening. So when you download a free application, the developer will earn through by integrating ad system inside that application. Means the developer will let you to use the application for free, but will integrate Google Ads inside that application, which will make the developer to earn through you. And likewise, it is also same for the website. But when you purchase an app, it's a completely different story. You will have an ad-free experience because the developer might have already earned from you through you purchasing that application. But for this free application, advertisement is one of the major ways for them to get paid. And that is why most of the websites and most of the applications have these advertisements inside them. But don't worry, I'll show you a super cool trick which will let you to block all these ads. So for that, you need to go to Play Store and download Blockada, or else you can find the link in the description. You can click that and you can download from Play Store. After downloading the application, you have to open the app and click the power button, and it will ask you a permission to enable the VPN. Now, how this application basically works is that it connects to a private network through which ads are blocked. So you can also do the same by altering your DNS inside your settings, but you don't need to do that because something might go wrong. So instead, if you let the permission to use VPN, or if you let your network to pass through a VPN, this will block almost all the ads. So it's completely safe. This is not asking you any permission of your location, of your call logs or your contacts. No, it is just asking a permission for you to give an access to use your network through a VPN pass through. So keep that in mind. So after switching on, you can see the difference. The applications which had advertisements won't have it anymore. And those ads will not load up, but you will have the canvas where the ad will come. And in applications, you won't have any ads that might disturb you from using the app flawlessly. Blockada is basically free application to use, but if you subscribe to their premium plans, you can use your account in 5 more other devices. And not only that, it can also act as a good VPN service for your devices. So yes, this is a really great trick which will let you block almost all the ads that come in your smartphone. So this is a short video about how to block all the ads that come in your smartphone. And if this video was useful, then share this video with all of your friends because of course it's useful. And if you end up liking my video, a like to this video would be absolutely great. And hey, don't forget to subscribe because most of you see my video doesn't subscribe. So click the red color subscribe button, make it gray, and also press the bell icon to get all the notifications whenever I post any new video. So this is me, Arnav, signing off in the video. Until the next one, stay home, stay safe, take care, and bye-bye.